So hello guys, welcome back. It's 11 a.m. in the morning. So the delivery guy has come outside. He's come to take the phone. So I've put the phone in this box itself. I will just go down and give it time.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਜਾਓ
Yeah, so I just gave my phone and they have given me the AWB number and they said it will take around 7 to 8 days for the phone to come back. They said that they'll replace the display and give it to me. So I'll continue this vlog after the phone comes. I'll show all the procedure then. Yeah, thank you.
"2,000 years later."
Thank you. So this is the box that I had sent it with. Yeah, so you must be thinking I'm super excited today. The thing is, my phone has come back after almost 14 days. Today is 4th of August and it has come, yeah, more or less 14 days. So they have replaced the screen and the board itself because it was a hardware issue. They just told that it was a hardware issue and they got it fixed from their side. I did not have to pay anything. And the phone has come today. I just now picked it and I unpacked it as well. Yeah. So I'm just powering it on. And here is my phone. They removed the green screen as well.
Oh my god! Wow!
Looks like the job is done. However, I'll have to check it thoroughly and I'll give you all the review.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, so hey guys, I'm shooting from my phone and it is fixed. The problem is fixed. Thank you to Oneplus. Although it took a lot of time, but it's okay, quite manageable. So even after meeting my friend, they used to say like, how did I spend my time without my phone? So and how I used to communicate and stuff. So I had my cousin's son who used to send me mails, like if you see, whenever the food is ready or whatever it is, he used to mail, and then I used to go downstairs and have my food or whatever and come up. So that was pretty much how I managed. Secondly, like we are planning for trip, maybe around somewhere Maharashtra or Karnataka. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep you all informed. Till then, that's it for this video. See you all in the next video. If you all liked anything in this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you all in the next video. Bye.